everyone, welcome to the channel Inn of Secrets. I'm Diana Raseli, a Reiki healer, a tarot reader, and a life coach. So today's reading is going to be for the zodiac sign of Pisces. Okay, I myself a Piscean, so let's see Pisces what is there for the month of August for you. So this tarot is going to give you a guidance. So whatever guidance the tarot gives us, I'm going to tell you about it. So as we all know that tarot is a guidance, it is going to give us a little hint about what is going to happen in the month of August. So before I start the reading, I would like to say that this is a general reading. It might whatever resonates, you can just take that, and whatever does not resonate, just leave it. Okay, so anyone who wants to have a personalized reading, you have a number. You can see there's a number in my videos. You can just get in touch with me. If you're from my hometown, you can have a personalized reading. You can book a sessions, and if you're not from my hometown, we can always book a sessions where I can do an online reading for you. Okay, Pisces, let's see Pisces, what is there for the month of August. So this reading is going to give you a little informations about your finance, your job, your love life, your family life, any other guidance more the tarot wants to give us. So let's see what is there for the month of August for my zodiac sign, Pisces people. Okay, so well, every time I say that whichever god or goddesses you believe in, please remember them and start praying as I take out the card. And normally every time I say that I'm a true believer of angels, so I have a very big faith in angels. They've always guided me, so I pray all the angels to guide us to get this tarot reading today for the month of August for my Pisces people. Okay, let's see what is there. Don't bother about the card. I'm just going to show you one by one, so even if the card is not visible to you, it's okay, right? Yes, Pisces people have suffered a lot. Last year, I can say, whole of the year was not a very good year. Well, 2025 is a mixer year, but a little bit better than 2024, I guess. And yeah, and especially in the love life, they have suffered a lot, ups and downs. In every sector, Pisces people have to, face a lot of situation, and they are a very calm person, water sign. So whoever comes in touch with you, they really feel that calmness, they feel that peace of mind, and very intuitive people. Pisces people are very intuitive people. You cannot be cheated by other people because you can really make out, because your intuitions are so high that you just catch people if they tell you lie or they're playing with you. Oh my god, okay. So I guess this reading, when I'm doing this reading, basically I myself, my zodiac sign is Pisces, so it is going to relate a lot also. So it's a very good reading for myself too. Okay, so let's see what's going to be there for the month of August. Okay, Pisces, the first card what I'm getting is the Lovers card. It's a beautiful card. Okay, my Lovers card is someone whom you were waiting to reunite, or someone whom you're loving from distance. There is going to be some kind of proposal in your life, maybe someone whom you really wanted to have in your life, like you are waiting so many months a year. You were waiting for this one person to come into your life because you have suffered a lot in your love relation, right? Maybe for a lot of my Pisces people, you have not got the kind of person you really wanted. So month of August is going to be a very good month, especially for the section of love. You are going to be blessed with someone new person entering into your life and having all the good qualities what you really wanted. Okay, money. Oh wow, I love this card, right? Who doesn't love to have money? So well, the finance good is a 10 of Pentacles. So definitely for Pisces people who are married or who have settled down, or who have not yet married but they are staying with their family, or if they have any kind of family business, I can see there's a good growth of money from the family sector, something which you do jointly. There is going to be a good financial growth. So this is something very nice, Pisces. Don't worry, I'm going to open up a lot of cards, whichever I feel that needs to be clarified. Now there is another card, that is the Hanged Man card. Well, for many of the Pisces people, you are stuck up in one kind of decision where you are not being able to take, So month of August, will definitely tell you to open your eye and see things. Don't judge people with emotions, judge people with your, like mind, because when we try to judge someone with emotions, we are not very true with the decision. So always be smart enough to take a judgment from your mind. Otherwise, this stuck up phase is going to be their lifelong. People are going to come in, they are going to cheat, they are going to again leave you, they are going to come back. So this is what is going to happen to or fro. So Pisces people, I know you're a very calm person, but I think there are certain times where you have to open up yourself and fight back for your rights. So don't stay in a quiet position. Come out, be bold enough to come out of this hangman position. Okay, so well, there is a cheating card, 10 of swords, some kind of betrayal is going to happen, or maybe in past you have already come across a lot of betrayal card. This, like betrayal card, 10 of swords, some kind of betrayal can be in relationship. It can also be in a certain sector where you people are working, maybe a workplace, maybe some kind of joint venture where your partner might somehow cheat you. So you might come to know about this. Maybe this cheating is happening from many months ahead, but finally in the month of August, it's going to be an eye opener for you, where you are going to finally recognize people who are good for you and who are not good for you. Okay, so I am going to clarify this card. This is a very important card. Well, so there are Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups always shows emotions flowing out, right? So yes, Piscean people are always a very emotional person. So definitely a lot of emotions are going to come out this month. Maybe like it has been so many months or so many years where you have not openly, like discuss about your desires or discuss about the things that have really hurt you in your past life, or even this coming month or past year. So all that is accumulated is going to flow like an emotions. Whoever is going to come, maybe you're a very calm person, so you're basically a very quiet person, but this August is going to open you up. You are going to just boom, your emotions are just going to flow over, and whatever you want to tell people, whichever part of your sector where you are not happy, your love life, your family life, your business life, your anything where you are uncomfortable, finally the Piscean people are going to open up the emotions, and they are going to tell very clearly what they really want out of life. Okay, so yes, there is another card, that is Five of Pentacles. I should say that past months or past years was a very financial tough time for you, because you were able to earn money, but there's a flow of money was there, but at the same time, more than what you earn, the money was going, maybe for the family things, or maybe for some kind of family members who are not keeping well, some kind of medical expenditure, certain kind of flow of money. The money is not staying, right? It's flowing like a water. So definitely August is going to be a something because opening card was 10 of Pentacles, where August is going to bring a new hope for you, where you are going to shine up financially very well. Not just financially, even in love life there is going to be a good progress. Yes, the Justice card. My Piscean people are a very hard working, but at the same time they are people who really give justice to other people, where they feel that someone is doing wrong to them, they are bold enough to speak up. Or even if it is for some of the family members, like they are not able to speak out for themselves, you are a person who always take their stand, take their support and speak for them. This is a very good quality of the Piscean people, right? So the second card what I'm getting is the Chariot. Chariot is a success card. Wow, Piscean people, you people are going to see a lot of success from the month of August. It's going to be something really new. You have always wanted, although you used to suffer a lot, and definitely the Piscean people are really very hardworking people. Although they have their own dreams, sometimes they get carried away in the dream world, but they are very hardworking people. They are people who have got a lot of focus in life, and if they really work hard, they can really shine up a lot. But like this Chariot shows that you are going to shine a lot from the month of August. This whole year is going to be a beginning for you. Okay, another 6-7 months, you don't have to look back, Piscean people. It's a very nice card. Okay, so another card is the World card. Definitely the World card also shows the amount of happiness you're going to receive from the universe. Somewhere the God's blessing is going to shower on you, and a lot of good things. the part of life which you were not enjoying, like a relationship or even, a good financial bank balance or a good people around you, all this is going to come as a success to you. You might think that, is my dream really going to come true? Yes, the chat, like the world card is showing that a lot of your dreams, what you have thought about, is going to come true. A lot of business which you want to do and you were thinking about it, this is going to really, if you are trying for new kind of venture, it's going to be a big success. Piscean people, please go for it. No matter what the people behind you keep telling you, don't pay any heed to their word. Whatever intuition tells you, please go ahead and do it, because my Piscean people are very, very intuitive people. Yes, the final card is the Eight of Swords. Definitely, a lot of the Piscean people are very stuck up in their life, in a lot of relationship, or even in a marriage which is not very good for them, or in a family where there are too much of, restrictions, where they feel stuck up. So this month, August, is going to guide you through this stuck up phase, and you are finally able to come out of that cage and speak for yourself. The stuck up card also shows that come out of certain relationship that is keeping you bonded. You are getting nothing out of it, rather than the false hope and a manipulative behavior from your partner that keeps you on hanging. So those kind of stuck up phase is going to be cleared out from your life, Piscean. I'm so happy for you. Oh, I'm happy for myself too, right? So I'm also a Piscean person. So anyway, so there are a few sectors of card that I would like to clear. One is the backstabbing card, that is the Ten of Swords. This is really not good card. So let's see what is there. Why is this Ten of Swords card here? Okay, so for my Piscean people, I would like to clarify Ten of Swords, because Ten of Swords is basically backstabbing. Backstabbing can be a lot of things. A relationship, it can be like finance, it can be betrayal, a lot of things. Okay, I told you there's a crossroad. Okay. So the backstabbing card is basically, I'll tell you, like maybe some of my Piscean people have started some kind of business, some kind of ventures, maybe last year, maybe starting of this year, you people might have started. So you can see that there are three cards. That is, one is the crossword, okay, where you're very, very confused mode, because you have invested a lot of money, where you are, where you want to see a lot of growth in finance. But basically the backstabbing card shows that the business people who have invested and who have done some joint venture with your friends or family, some kind of betrayal in the money matter is going to come forward. So just be very, very careful, Piscean people, not to trust anyone. But yes, August is going to be an eye opener for you. Maybe this backstabbing, this cheating card was going on for quite many months, but finally in the month of August, you are going to literally see that who has done this, cheating with the finance part. So this is good. In fact, one way it is good also, because it's going to make you alert, and you will really come to know like those people are working with you really genuine or not. So some kind of money matter backstabbing is there. So be very careful how you handle your money, and please try to keep your accounts day-to-day checking, or being present in your business is really, really important, Pisces. Okay, so well, I thought it was with relationship, but yes, I could see a lover's card, definitely a new entry, or maybe your old lover might come back, might realize the worth of you. So let's see another card which I would like to clarify. When I have taken another card, was that is the Hangman card. What decision is keeping you stuck up, Pisces? Emotions? You don't want to trust people? There are two lovers, right? So maybe some of the Piscean people were stuck up with the old relationship, where they are finding themselves in a very confused stage of mind. Rather, the relationship is moving forward, now it is breaking, you are just stuck up. So finally in the month of August, it shows that the relationship which you had put to an end, there is a dead card. You see, you had thought that this relationship is over, I would never like to go back to that partner. But ultimately, when this Lover's card is entering here, it shows that there might be high chances that your ex would like to come back into your life again. So this is a message that, you know, maybe for you this relationship was over, but somewhere in your mind you were in a very stuck up mode because you were not being able to, you know, let anyone come into your life because you were very confused. Like sometimes, you know, like that's what I told you, like don't be very emotional and take your decisions. What you have put to an end, it is an end, right? But there are high chances for many of the Piscean people that your ex-lover has understood your worth, your value, you know, after moving around with a lot of people or seeing or dating or even staying with a karmic partner has made them realize that I have left a genuine person out of my life. So ultimately when this person enters into your life, you know, your confusion state becomes little complicated. So that time you have to be very alert and take your decision. Those exes who have really given a pain or who have really made you suffered, I think for them, you know, it is my wiser decision that take a personalized reading and know exactly what to do, because this is a general reading, a lot of people's energy comes into it. So whatever decision you want to make, you know, whether you want to stay with your ex, you want to accept your ex back or not, because it depends upon how that person has treated you. If they've really treated you bad or if they've treated you like an option, so definitely I would like to say that it is a big no-no to go back to that partner. But still, if you feel that somewhere your partner was very good to you and they were a part of you and they still are, then get a personalized reading, get a guidance whether that person is trustable or not. So then only you'll be able to take the decisions, right? So another card that I would like to clarify is Eight of Swords, because what are you so stuck up with? Temperance. Another thing is, like, many of my Piscean people have become spiritual, you know, like you have, as past year was not a very good year, but you know, that has taught you a lot of lessons, so they have made you grow very spiritually. So the stuck up phase is, you know, coming out of all toxic people from your life. You can see there's a Temperance card, so definitely I told you that you are growing up spiritually a lot, you are having a lot of faith in God. So you know, definitely your waiting zone for something that you were waiting, finally you're moving ahead in your life. At a time, a lot of my Pisces people in 2024, they had thought that my life has become a big struggle for me. I'm not getting a lovable person, I'm not getting growth in my finance, my life is not moving ahead. So somewhere you felt that I was stuck up. So you know, the suffocation card being stuck, you know, like stuck up is also a part that you did not know how to move forward in life. But finally, you know, there's a blessing from the universe from the month of August. You can see what you're waiting, you're going to get that. And finally, my Piscean people are going to climb the ladder. So you are going to see success story. That is nice, Pisces. This is very nice. I'm so happy for your card. Okay, so that's it. So month of August, lover's entry, either your ex or maybe someone new who has not confessed love to you. So definitely in my short video, I might say a little bit about the lovers also, where I'm going to give a message about them, what they really want, if you have any crush. So definitely finance growth is there. The position where you are feeling very stuck up, you're going to come out of that zone. You're going to finally see a good, like a finance growth, good growth in your relationship. If there's any stuck up moment with your exes, that is going to be cleared out. Be very careful trusting anyone with the money matter, especially if you're in a workplace. Be very careful not to deal with people like that way. Yes, emotions of my Pisces are really flowing. Okay, so when I talked about the backstabbing card, be careful. Don't get cheated. Keep attack on each and every account. Just don't blindly believe in everyone. Emotions are flowing out. Whatever money that got drained past 2 years, you are going to cover up from August. It's going to be a good growth of finance where, you know, finally your God will help you, or the spirit will help you, or the universe will help you to move forward in life, because you have always been a justice person, right? Who loves to give justice to the people. The Chariot is a success card in work, money, love. Okay, so there's a good blessing from the universe, Pisces. It's so nice, right? Well, definitely stuck up card. I told you, like, a lot of people are stuck up in their own zone with their relationship or in their workplace, where they see that there's no progress at all. So finally, you know, the universe is giving you a blessing and pushing you ahead, you know, giving a nice push so that you can move forward in your life. That's it, Pisces. I hope this reading is going to help you, and this guidance is going to give you a good knowledge about how to tackle your month of August. And definitely, if you like my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you do not fall under the zodiac sign of Pisces, if you have any friends or family whom you would like to share, please share with them and hit the like button and keep watching me. And I'm going to upload a short video for Pisces for the love life, because the love life shows a lot of new entry and the ex is coming back. So anyway, bye bye. Thank you so much for this for watching me, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.